everyone, what's the story? It's Everia. Okay, so I have a chock-a-block banana offer bonanza egg, and it's this one. Like with the second one, I just forgot I had these. They've not gone bad or anything. They're still perfectly fine to eat. I just literally forgot I had them. Oh, I can actually keep that and make Easter eggs for next year. Right, this one has kind of got bananas and that on, and so I want to try and get some of that, which is easier than what it seems. I don't know what it seems. I mean, right. I got this bit. It's a bit of white chocolate. It's got bananas and fudge on. So, that is nice. That is really, really nice. Oh, that is yummy. That is really yummy. I like that. That is so nice. It's chocolate. It's going to be nice. But what I like about it, it's one of the things Midnight always says about Easter egg chocolate, is it tastes different to normal chocolate. And I agree, it does. But this one just tastes like normal chocolate. It is so nice. I really, really like that one. I'm going to just eat the rest of that. That is so nice. I like that. And the fact that it's got like bananas in as well, and things like that. That is yummy. I'm still eating it. But anyway, for now, I will say, love you lots, not like jelly tots, and I'm keeping it good weird.